Dashcam UK REDTIGER F7N Plus. When it comes to your safety on the road, there's nothing quite like the peace of mind provided by the REDTIGER F7N Plus dashcam. And here at Dashcam UK, we're excited to bring you the latest innovation in dash camera technology. This 4K plus 1080p dual recording dashcam ensures crystal clear footage, capturing every detail, from road signs to number plates. With its STARVIS sensor, even low-light situations are no problem, making nighttime driving safer than ever. Trust Dashcam UK to help you capture everything you need. Built-in Wi-Fi and smart app control make managing your dashcam a breeze. With the REDTIGER app, you can easily playback, edit, and share your driving moments with friends and family. Perfect for sharing those memorable road trips, or vital evidence when you need it most. Stay informed on your driving route, speed, and location with built-in GPS. Dashcam UK ensures you have all the information you need, right at your fingertips. It's not just a dashcam, it's your personal driving assistant. Subscribe and check the description for more information about the REDTIGER dashcam. Super night vision technology brings out the details, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're driving at night or in dim environments, the REDTIGER F7N Plus from Dashcam UK has got you covered. With loop recording, 24-hour parking monitoring, and a durable supercapacitor that withstands extreme temperatures, you'll never miss a moment. And backed by our 2-year guarantee and 24/7 support, Dashcam UK offers the ultimate protection for your vehicle. Drive with confidence. Drive with Dashcam UK.